I literally want to crochet an entirely new wardrobe and bedroom decor after researching for this video. So yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video, we are going to be doing a very highly requested video, okay? I mean, this is probably the most requested video other than my summer one, but after a long time of waiting, thank you for being patient with me, because today's video is 50 Whimsigothic crochet ideas for you. And also me, because this is my jam, okay? Anything Whimsigoth. I am slowly transforming my room into a more Whimsigoth vibe, okay? Also, I did just recently watch Practical Magic for the first time in my life, and I want my life to look like that so bad. Okay, I want a Victorian home. I want a garden. I want a Victorian home. I want a sister that looks like that. I want a sister like that, okay? I want that sisterly bond. I want that having children, one black hair, one red hair, okay? I want it all. So, with that being said, let's build our fantasy life. Okay, let's build our Whimsigoth life with these 50 crochet ideas, okay? Let's do it. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my outfit's a little Whimsigoth inspired, okay? This is actually one of my favorite outfits, and I haven't got to wear it for a video yet, I think, just because we haven't had a category that kind of fits the vibe until today. Until today, baby. Today's the day. Before we get started, I just want to remind you that this video, like every other video, everything I say will be listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make it too. Okay, let's live our Whimsigoth dream life out with this video. All right, guys. So my inspiration for this video just comes from 90s Whimsigoth Practical Magic vibes. Okay, so this is my version of Whimsigoth. I could be wrong, but this is how I see it. Okay, so just deal. Let's get into it. We've got 3 categories, okay? And I will be placing chapter markers down below, so if you want to skip ahead, feel free to do that. We've got clothing, accessories, and decor. So let's get into my favorite category, which is clothing. I have this mandala top, okay? Look at this. I'm pretty sure it's like a dress, but like, just look at it. Gorgeous. And then I found this crochet Y2K baby doll top, but it was really just giving practical magic, so there you go. And then we have a lot of tops with like bell-bottom sleeves, kind of like the top I'm wearing, you know, where it kind of like goes out. We have tops like that. So we have this crochet one, this bell sleeve one, and then we also have this lace cardigan free tutorial. Ooh, it's hot in my room in this outfit, guys. It's literally summer in California, and it's so hot in here. And this outfit is just not giving summer. And it's summer right now, so I'm dying of heat stroke. Anyways, this crochet crop lace cardigan, cute. Or even this lunar cardigan. Or I found this vintage pattern, so it's this vintage sun top and skirt combo from the 70s. Or you can make this skirt, which is like a blue long circular. I'm pretty sure it's a skirt. I'm like 95% sure it's a skirt. Or you can make this Valentina skirt. Look at her. She's gorgeous. Just imagine like frolicking, being whimsical. Or you can make this crochet floral lace cardigan, or even this top, which just looks like a bunch of different stitches put together, but the color scheme is giving. Okay, it's cute. Or there's this other like Adina long sleeve cardigan, which kind of has really big sleeves if you like the wide sleeves. Or even another one with really big sleeves is this purple one. Cute, but this one's not like a cardigan, it's like a top with sleeves, so that's cool. Or you can make a long green skirt like this one with the little ruffles. Or I have this one in the Renaissance Fair video, but again, it applies here. It's giving Stevie Nicks, okay? Or you can do a version of this as like a skirt, like this one. Or if you like skirts, but you're not really looking for a long skirt, here's a shorter, like green skirt, okay? Or you can make a bolero like this one. Or if you're looking for flowy, you can do this Lorelei top, which is very early 2000s, but if you do it in darker colors, it can kind of give a Whimsigoth vibe. Or even this kind of flowy dress too. And that is all we have for that category. The next category we have is accessories, and we only have a couple here. So for this one, we've got 2 tarot card holders, okay? So tarot card wraps. So we have this one with, it looks like a cute little like moth button on it. Thought it was cute. Or there's this one which has a little more like a moon detail on it. And you can also make crochet holder necklaces, okay, with yarn and crocheting. Like, that's kind of how it all goes together, you know what I mean? But you can crochet these. All you need is a bead and some yarn. So if you want to make them, they're interchangeable. You can pull the bead up and take the crystal out, replace it, whatever. Or you can make a choker like this one, and you can add beads to it or charms or whatever. Or you can make this whimsy head wrap. Literally has whimsy in the title of it, okay, in this whimsical video. But you can make it for your headband. So freaking cute. You can make them thick, you can make them thinner, you can make them really big, however you want. But it's very whimsical. There you go. And that is all we have for accessories. Now let's move into our last category, which is decor, which right now I'm going to be using a lot of those patterns because the way that I want to turn my room to more of a whimsigoth vibe, I'm going to be using some of these, okay? So if you want more of plant look in your room, you can use these. This is a 5-pack. I'm pretty sure I've already downloaded this one before, but these plants, okay? Viney plants. Or you can do like a lavender kind of plant corner in your room. Or even make like vines to wrap around the curtains in your room. I just got curtains to add to the whimsigoth vibe, and I think I'm going to make these to wrap around the curtains when I want them pulled to the side, because right now I just tie them in a knot, and that's not cute. So you can make this blanket very like stars and moons, or sun, moon, and stars. There you go. Or you can make your curtains with granny squares like this. Or you can make plant holders like this one instead of making the plants if you want like real plants in your room, which I have no real plants in my room. I can't keep plants alive, so I will be making the fake plants. But if you have real plants and you just need a holder, there you go. And you can make this evil eye blanket, or you can even make these moths, which, oh my god, they remind me of like, you know, moth hanging frames, whatever. But like, come on. You can make them dark colors, light colors like this, and they're just cute. Speaking on moths, here's another moth one. There you go. Or you can make a 6-day star blanket. Okay, I've made one of those before. They're cute, but I didn't keep it. It was a gift. So I think I'm going to make another one just for me. Or you can make a kind of mismatched, a bunch of different color and size granny square blanket. Or you can make this plant specifically, which is like a bigger house plant pattern. Or you can make this moon rug. Look how cute that is. Or if you want to have something for your jewelry, you can make this mushroom holder, okay, in more of a whimsigoth color vibe. Or you can make this ram horns and goat skull. That's freaking cool. Okay, that's a little more on the goth side of whimsigoth, but to each their own, girl. To each their own. If you're whimsigoth like me, but you have stuffed animals and you need a place for them, or a place for your yarn. I'm pretty sure there's yarn in this picture, but you can make a hammock with kind of dangling vines and flowers kind of vibe. Or you can make pillows for your bed. You can make this sun pillow, or this moon pillow, or this like perfectly circular moon and night pillow. Or you can use this moon granny square pattern to make bags, blankets, tops, whatever. Or if you want to get really intricate, you can make this little curtain. It's made with like really thin yarn, but it's like cute. I'm pretty sure this is a vintage pattern, but I thought that curtain was really cute, and you can make bigger versions, or if you have a little window in your room, thought that'd be cute. It gave very practical magic, okay? If you want more of a plant vibe, you can make these succulent pillows for your bed, or you can even make this wall hanging vine flower kind of look. If you have a lot of jewelry and you want to display your jewelry, you can definitely make one of these jewelry hangers, which is basically just a stitch, just basically a single stitch of like single crochets of squares, okay? Like it's a square. That's it. It's a square and you nail it on the wall. I have one literally right there. You can see a little corner of it. That holds my earrings. It's just a square nailed to the wall. Other than that, you can make this star pillow, or you can make this longer moon phases pillow for your couch or your bed or whatever. I forget some of you guys have like actual houses and like get to decorate your house. I'm just decorating my bedroom, so I haven't unlocked that yet. being able to decorate an entire house or apartment. So when we get there, there will be a video for it. And that is 50 Whimsigoth inspired crochet ideas from me to you so that you can go live your Whimsigoth dreams, girl. Live your Whimsigoth dreams, okay? Reminder, everything is on a cohesive Pinterest board linked down below, and underneath that I have everything I said in order that I said it linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so that you can make it too, okay? If for some reason you can't find something, just let me in the comments and I will help you out. If there is a crochet idea video that I haven't done and you really want to see, please comment it down below and I'll add it to the never-ending list that I am getting through slowly, but I am getting through it. You guys, if you commented, the video is coming, I promise, okay? I'm working on it. But please comment it down below and I will add it to the list. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. What are you doing? Okay? If you're planning on making any of these projects, please tag me on Instagram. I want to see it, okay? If you don't, I won't be mad. But like, if you do, it'll make me happy, okay? Because I want to see these suggestions being made, okay? I know I'm going to post when I make stuff. And if you want to see that, go follow me on Instagram. And that's all I got for you for Whimsigothic, okay? If there's anything that I missed in this video that you're like, girl, you missed a big part of Whimsigothic, let me know. I'll make another one. If you guys really like this one, I'll make another one of another 50 items, okay? I'll do it. I'll do it for you. I'd do anything for you. Anyways, with all that being said, thanks for watching. Bye!